Hey guys, back after a long period of time. Hope you are doing very well in this pandemic. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing hentaiOS for our beloved Lavender, aka the Redmi Note 7. So without further ado, let's get started. Although it has literally no customization or themes, it's just a pixel clone, but the device tree here makes the ROM very powerful. Well, I'm not gonna call it a gaming ROM, being a retard, but I personally play COD Mobile, and man, the gameplay is so damn smooth. Like, even while playing squad battle royale matches, it doesn't lag and it keeps the consistent good frame rates. Apart from the performance being great, the ROM lacks on customization. Now, many people might stop watching this video right away, but hey, listen, if you want a stable minimal daily driver, then do consider this ROM for your old SD660 to at least stand out. And the ROM is getting constant updates with bug fixes and source updates. So yeah, consider this and you'll be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, do consider subscribing to my channel, and I promise I'll be consistent from now on. And yeah, like this video and do subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.